Hey, today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the daytime running module that lights up. They call it the angel eyes or whatever you want, that goes around the side. The daytime running lights. It's not a light bulb. It's an LED module. This is exactly it. Okay, so if yours is out, stay tuned and I'll show you how to replace it. So in these newer models, this is a 2013, they don't use bulbs and they're very tricky to replace. It uses an LED. I'll show you where. See basically how they see that? See those? That's your daytime running lights. If those burn out, I'll show you how to replace it. It's not a bulb. Okay? It's an LED like this. See the little LED right here? All right. And to get this off, you have to take the front bumper off. I have a video on how to do that. And then obviously you have to take these off. I have a video on how to take the housings out. Okay, so now what you do, this was the bad one. Now, hopefully, you got to make sure there's a lot of electronics going on here. There's the ballast, there's the modules right here. There's another, let me turn it around. All right, there's the regular Xenon headlight. Then you have this computer in here. I mean, a lot of things can fail, but if you have moisture, what happened with this one, if I can just show you, as you see this, it's all corroded. And what's the problem with this now? This is so corroded in there, I don't think I can clean that out. It's extremely thin. And where am I going to get this little harness? You know, I don't even know if you can buy it. I would have to buy the whole housing. Hopefully yours is just a bad module. This is a good module. What I did, I took the good one out that was working, and I put the bad module in the good one to see if both will go out, and sure enough, both did go out. So it must share the same circuitry. All right. So now I know that it's this unit on the other one that's bad, and let me show you. Okay, this is the one that came out of the bad one over here that was corroded. You see all the corrosion here, and the thing is just ripped off. It wasn't like that. I just did that, but it was so corroded. This plug in here, like I just showed you before, that there's four little prongs, four little pins. Two of them are rotted out, and yeah, it's supposed to look like that in there, nice and clean. So to make sure it was still good, it still had prongs and everything. So I put the old one in the light that was working, and sure enough, both of them don't work. So I know that it's just this one, and hopefully this one that I took, this one, I don't screw yet, is not rotted, it's not corroded or nothing like that. But my issue is this plug. I don't know if I can get this plug to work again. If not, I have to get the whole thing. All right, so that's what you have to check. You also have to check the ballast, make sure that is good. Make sure there's no corrosion anywhere. That's the number one reason these things fail. Is water gets in the headlight, or the split, or the tire liner in the car itself is broken and it's just splashing up, because this is on the bottom side. All right, and that can cause problems too. So you check this one. This one just plugs in. You see, make sure all your pins are good. One of them is supposed to be missing over there. Okay, but it all looks nice and neat. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. It all looks nice and clean in there. Then you know you're good to go. And like I said, sometimes these things, they all rot out. If you see any discolorations in them, you really can't tell by looking at it, only by like if there's corrosion, and make sure all the pins are okay. If that's good, the chances are it's these. All right. So it's straightforward. You have two little pins, one plug, I mean 2 plugs, one little plug here, and the side plug there. It goes right here. This one and this one. All right, let me show you. Okay, just put this one in here, and this one slides in over here, nice and tight. And then you just put your 3 little screws. Push down, make sure it's good. There's 1, 2, and over here 3. Let me see what Torx that is. T20. You got 3 of them. I have a whole bunch of them in here. Okay? And you just put your 3 in there, and you're good to go. Like I said, you check them all. Make sure everything is good, they're all tight, and everything like that. And then just plug it in before you put everything back. Make sure it works. All right? And that's basically what you do. All right, Motorcar Nut. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below. Guys, I got millions of videos, well, millions, but a lot of videos coming in the future, hundreds and thousands. I'm going to try to, save as many people as I can money, and doing the job right and doing it yourself, and that's a win-win situation. All right, guys, take it easy.